Hi friends, no cutting, no dishes. This air fry cabbage is so addictive. You can use any cabbage you like, but I highly recommend sweetheart cabbage. Tear the leaves into large pieces. Remove the tough core. Wash them well. Make sure to pat them completely dry so they don't turn soggy. Season with soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili powder, and cumin powder. Lightly spray some oil on top. Then shake to coat evenly. Air fry at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Flip. Then cook for another 2 minutes at the same temperature. Trust me, once you try this, you won't be able to stop. Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoy quick meals under 30 minutes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.